सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hi everyone, it's me Sanvi Vanwal. Today my friends of class 5th A and myself are gonna to show you the role of art education in mathematics. You know that mathematics is really very beautiful and interesting subject. At the same time it is quite difficult for some others. We can make the subject more easier and interesting by adding art into it. You would be thinking that how we can add art into it. It is not possible. But I say it is possible. In this video you will see few examples about it. Like you will see how tables can be learnt by making beautiful shapes. How angles can be understood by classical dance. How shapes can be learnt by singing a song and symmetry with paints. Let's start the video. I wish that you will enjoy the video.
Good morning, my mother is Bosh Roshan Minave. I am studying in class 5th A and I am showing you the pattern of table 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, and 11 tens are 110. See how wonderful pattern it is. It is a polygon of 10 sides and it is called a decagon.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak Ujjwal Kumar Bagade of class 5th A. I am presenting a table through a beautiful shape on a circular cardboard. Let me show you the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, and 2 fives are 10. Look how the beautiful pattern it is. It is a pentagon.
She has formed an acute angle. She has formed a right angle. Here, a straight angle was formed. This is an obtuse angle.
Shapes, we are pretty shapes. shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I go round and round, I look like a wheel. Who am I? Who am I? Circle! Yes, circle! I am like an egg or a circle that is long. Who am I? Who am I? Oval! Yes, oval! I have 3 corners and I have 3 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Triangle! Yes, triangle! Shapes, shapes, we are shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I have 4 corners and sides, all my sides are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Square! Yes, square! I have 4 corners and sides, opposites are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Rectangle! Yes, rectangle! I have 5 corners and I have 5 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Pentagon! Yes, pentagon! I look like a star. I have 5 pointed corners. Who am I? Who am I? Star! I'm a star.
Good morning everybody, myself Pamela Manoj Thakre. I study in class 5th A. Today I am making mathematics art activity. So let's start our activity. For this we need thread, a blank paper, colors. That's it. Now what we have to do, we have to color our thread. So let's color our thread. Now we have colored this. What we have to do, we have to put it here like this. It is exactly. Now we have to close the paper and pull the thread. Now let's open it. Wow, you can see the design. Now I will make more like this, like another colors. So let's make like this from another colors.
We are making today line of symmetry with using thread. So I have folded the page. So we have got here mirror imaging. Bye.
This is a line of symmetry. Hello friends, today we are making the drawing of symmetry. We need the green page. It
present here. A heartfelt thanks to our principal ma'am who always provide us with a wonderful platform to showcase ourselves. She is the pillar behind our success. She is the brain who gives us innovations